everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw money from your BitMEX account. I'm also going to explain how the travel rule works and what that means for your withdrawals on BitMEX. So first up, what is the travel rule? Well, in plain language, it's a global regulator standard that makes certain crypto exchanges or platforms like BitMEX share info about where funds are coming from and going to. It's designed so that crypto platforms can fight things such as money laundering, fraud, and any kind of scams that might come from sending and receiving. Pretty much every big exchange has this. If you would like, you can definitely go to bitmex.com/travel rule and read more about what it is. But in summary, what it means is that when you're sending crypto, it's going to ask you basically the type of wallet it is, the exchange or platform, self-custody, the name of the receiving party that you're sending it to. This means that if you're sending to a personal wallet or another exchange, BitMEX now will need to categorize it correctly. If you're sending it to a person, you'll need their full legal name, the wallet type, the receiving exchange name. If the wallet type that you put in when you're sending or withdrawing your crypto is incorrect, or you leave out info, your withdrawal might fail. So that means you're going to have to wait more, and there's more back and forth when BitMEX has to confirm. So make sure everything is correct, double check, and then you should be good to go. BitMEX is regulated. They are one of the safest exchanges out there. So this is an extra step to protect you, the user. So this travel rule update doesn't just apply to BitMEX. It's part of a broader shift, basically, across crypto platforms to meet global regulations. However, for you as a user, it mostly means extra info on withdrawals and being diligent about accuracy. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you here is how to deposit crypto, which is basically very straightforward. You go to bitmex.com, you go to buy crypto, okay? You can do a one-click buy with your credit card or, your debit card and so on. You can do a crypto deposit, which is what we're going to do. Click on crypto deposit. And here, you're going to choose the type of deposit. Okay, let's say you want to deposit USDT. You'll select the network to deposit your USDT. Now, don't forget that the network that you select here, okay, so for example, if I select USDT on the Solana network, then you must be sending from the sending wallet or exchange USDT on the Solana network. If I'd like to select Tron here, I have to make sure that my USDT is on the Tron network. So the same network on both sides have to be selected. So you can choose whether you want to send Sol USDT, Tron USDT, BSC, Binance Smart Chain USDT, or Ethereum USDT. You copy the address here, enter it from, let's say, the wallet that you'd like to send it, and that's it. You're good to go. And that is it for depositing crypto onto BitMEX. It's quite simple. And now for a quick pause, because this actually matters. If you're trading crypto, the platform you use can make you or break you, especially when volatility hits. Now, that is the reason I trade on BitMEX by choice. They've been around for over 11 years. They're considered to be one of the most trusted exchanges out there, and they're growing year by year. Fun fact that people don't know or forget is that BitMEX literally invented the perpetual contracts. Perps didn't just appear from nowhere. BitMEX invented them, and the entire industry actually copied that model, including Binance, Coinbase, and the bigger exchanges out there. Right now, they're offering a sign-up bonus. When you deposit $25, you get $50 free to trade spot or perpetual. It's like free capital, just obviously manage your risk. That being said, BitMEX is also pushing the next step forward. They're leading the way in stock trading using USDT. That's right, you can use your USDT and trade stocks 24/7 like crypto, and that's a big move pioneered by BitMEX. So if you want a platform that's battle-tested, built by traders, and still innovating, check the link in the description and give BitMEX a try. Now, back to our video. And now for withdrawing your crypto, the first thing we'll do is we'll go to funds, we'll go to withdraw. I'm going to select the withdraw type. Okay, so in my case, it's USDT. I'm going to leave new address, which is by default selected, because I'm going to enter a new address. Again, for every withdrawal, you do have to have it in your BitMEX address book. Okay, So it's a new address. It's an Ethereum address. Okay. Now I need to select the type. Okay. As you can see here, exchange cannot be auto-detected. It's not an exchange. It's a Web3 wallet. So manual confirmation is required. Now, exchange or platform or self-custody. Self-custody is your ledger or, whatever hardware wallet that you have. If you move your cursor right next to the question mark, you'll see an explanation, a very good explanation of what self-custody is. Okay, exchange or platform. And here I'm going to select other because it's a Web3 wallet. Okay, name of exchange. Okay, I'm just going to say Rabby. Exchange URL, Rabby. And the amount that I would like to transfer, for example, let's say $20, okay? My network fee. And it says here, this action may put you at risk of liquidation. Now, I do have 2 open positions currently, but my stop loss is very far away from my liquidation price, so I'm okay. Now I'm going to confirm everything. If this is the address, it is other, it's a Rabby address, a Web3 wallet, okay? Network fee is $1, and I'm going to click on continue. Now here I need to enter the information of the beneficiary. Now I am the one that's receiving it, so it's going to be myself. I want to save this address in the address book, and address name would be me. Continue. Now here it's giving me a recap of what I'm doing. Currency, USDT. The network that I'm sending on is Ethereum. The destination address is that. Okay, the amount that I'm sending, and there we go. Now I enter my 2FA. And of course, if you're using BitMEX or any other exchange for that matter, for security reasons, always have your 2FA, two-factor authentication, enabled. So I'm going to enter my 2FA, click on withdraw. As soon as you click withdraw, you can get your confirmation withdrawal by email. Okay, so now with the email that you signed up with, you'll go to that email and confirm your withdrawal. The link will expire in 27 minutes. So let's go to the email. Now, here we go. We have here action required. You must click on view withdrawal in order for the withdrawal to happen. And here is where we cancel the withdrawal or confirm the withdrawal. Okay, so I am going to click on confirm, and there we go. Let me know if you run into any difficulties. Drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be very happy to reply. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you withdraw and deposit on the BitMEX platform. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.